Hey there, it's Low for Low Nose Tech back at you with another gear review to help you make the best choices for your needs. And today, I gotta tell you, I'm super excited to share this one with you. This is for my entertainment loving, video game having, sports fanatical watching, and content consuming consumers. I think you get the point. Introducing the Paris Rhône 4K Laser Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. That's a lot of words. Get ready to bring a true theater experience right into your home. If you're not familiar, an ultra short throw laser projector is the latest in projector technology. No longer do you have to set up a projector 20 feet away and somehow find a way to hang it from a ceiling or line up in front of your screen and worrying about people walking in front of it. That is now a thing of the past. The difference between standard projectors and ultra short throw projectors are, well, in the name. Just place your Paris Rhône 4K Laser Ultra Short Throw Projector on a flat surface, closer for a smaller screen and further away for a large screen, and you're good to go. Turn your wall into a massive home theater display. The Paris Rhône Ultra Short Throw Projector can give you a screen size of 80 inches up to a massive 150 inches. Again, all from a short distance. Now here's the thing. You're going to get a sharp 4K UHD resolution with HDR10 for the best detail and colors. And keep in mind, with regular TVs, you need a bright display to properly display HDR content. Well, the Paris Rhône gives you 2000 ANSI Lumen and a 3000:1 contrast ratio. This ensures you get a very bright image for HDR content and some really deep blacks for great detail and image depth. And MEMC technology for smooth images, all on the Rec 709 color gamut. And it has built-in speakers to match. The speakers are loud, clear, and full, and you'd be hard-pressed to think you'd need any additional gear. The 50-watt speakers do a great job with matching with the visuals. Now, it's going to be tough, but here's a sample of the built-in speakers kicking. I wish you could hear it from here. Wrapping it all up with a 25,000-hour lamp life. What does that mean? There's a great chance you'll never see this thing go out. Speaking about build, let's take a closer look at the Paris Rhône. When you're getting such a great image and sound, you'd expect the build to match, and it does. A nice, solid, and sleek design with the speakers in front, it comes off as powerful but at the same time unassuming. Okay, and I gotta tell you, every time I showed this thing off, it was always the same response. Wait, what? That's coming from that? Yes it is. Now you have the fans and exhaust on the side to keep it cool, and when it comes to projector standards, it's pretty quiet. You really don't hear it when you don't hear it when you're actually watching a movie. You also have two HDMI 2.0 ports. The second port supports ARC, so you can route your surround sound to it. There's two USB ports, one in the back and one on the side, so you can power your dongles, devices, or connect an external media to it. An Ethernet port for faster streaming, an AV port, audio out port, and power. Keep in mind you also get Bluetooth technology so you can connect your speakers or send other devices to it as well. Coming back to the top, you have your ultra short throw laser where all the magic happens that I can't even begin to tell you how it works. Probably some combination of mirrors, lights, lasers, cats, and cats with lasers. I don't know. All I know, it just looks awesome. You even get a remote as well to control the Paris Rhône. Now, let's take a look at the OS. You can select your HDMI inputs, USB connections if you have a hard drive with media on it. You have your basic settings to adjust brightness, picture profile, sound, image, rotation, keystone adjustment, and Wi-Fi setup and other options as well in the menu. You also have the App Store. You can download your favorite apps, and you can send media directly to the Paris Rhône as well for mirroring content. So let's talk about my real world usage of the Paris Rhône Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. Now, I love it. Done. But seriously, I really don't have a proper screen for this projector, so I had to project it on my wall. And like I said before, it's big and impressive, and you really get a bright picture with rich colors and resolution. Unfortunately for me, my wall has a bit of a texture, so up close, it wasn't as impressive as it was from afar. Obviously, not the fault of the projector, it's just my walls. Would have been nice if I had smooth walls. I also tried it on a portable screen, but it really wasn't ideal. But in a dark room, the image from this thing pops incredibly, and this is from a person who owns an OLED TV. Now you can use this during the day, and I would suggest removing as much ambient light as you can. But because of the nature of it being an ultra short throw laser projector, there's very little room for the light, or laser in this case, losing saturation as it travels because it's, well, right up against the wall or screen. So, if you can manage your light well, you can totally use this on a daily basis throughout the day. With that being said, I know Paris Rhône does offer a high quality screen, but until I get that, I had to get creative and put up a sheet in my bedroom. And wow, I can't begin to describe how awesome it is to have this in my bedroom. Movies, games, whatever. It becomes a highlight whenever I go in there. Now, I did mention games. The Paris Rhône does offer low latency, which makes it enjoyable for gaming. But keep in mind, this is the casual to moderate gameplay. If you're trying to go one-to-one or Twitch gaming, not here. But if that's you, you're probably not even watching this, so yeah. But I gotta tell you, there's just something that brings the kid out of you when you're playing games on this thing. It's like, this is ridiculously awesome. I honestly can go on and on about this, but I hope I got my impressions across. The Paris Rhône 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector is a must-have and highly recommended. If I had to really critique it, it would be the standby light when it's sleeping. It's pretty bright and noticeable, especially in my bedroom, so I had to cover that. Outside of that, get it. Link down below to learn more about the Paris Rhône, and you can also sign up for $600 off as well. Alright, hope you liked this video because I had a blast reviewing the Paris Rhône. Leave a like if this is something you would like to have, subscribe to continue reviews on cool content like this, and crack that bell to always be notified. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the Paris Rhône Ultra 4K Short Throw Laser Projector. That's a lot of words. Alright guys, until the next one, I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.